Welcome back to Success Story, and today we have with us this young batch of women entrepreneurs from Shepreneurs Networking. So let's start with the first member. She is SP Roshni Chaudhary, Director City Gold Tea. So Roshni, my question goes to you.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. So, I'm sure everyone knows about City Gold Tea.
Correct.
So they must be really interested in knowing, like, what is the
Yes.
story behind, how was City Gold Tea found, and what role do you play in with the brand?
Correct. So, City Gold Tea has been a part of Indian industry since a very long time, for almost over 30 years.
Oh my
It's
God,
a
that's
fourth
huge.
generation tea brand founded by my father-in-law. In 2018, my husband formally joined the business, bringing new energy and structure.
Of course.
So, people who know me well know my deep love for tea. So, after my marriage, I got involved in the business. So, it felt very natural to me to get involved with City Gold Tea. And with my support of my family, I joined the brand with a clear vision of taking City Gold Tea beyond traditional market and strengthen our presence in the मॉडर्न ट्रेड एंड ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स.
Okay.
आज मैं प्राउडली बता सकती हूँ कि सिटी गोल्ड टी इज़ अ नेशनल ब्रांड एंड इज ऑलमोस्ट अवेलेबल इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द major platforms.
Yeah, all the tea lovers
Yeah.
will go for City Gold Tea, I'm sure. So we have with us Surbi Banka. She is a business consultant. So Surbi, what type of business are you primarily working with? And आज के दिन like I'm sure बहुत issues face करते हैं all type of businesses. So how do you help them out?
Okay, so we basically work with everyone, like starting from the individuals, firms, corporates, even the banks. So we work with all types of entities.
Okay.
Now, why businesses struggle today? If we see the common reasons, so there are very common reasons जो मतलब लोग identify करना भूल जाते हैं. Like first of all is the cash flow management.
Right.
Like वो लोगों को लगता है ठीक है हम profit कमा रहे हैं या they just focus on the profit percentage. They forget to look at the liquidity, cash flow.
Right.
Then there are certain things like mixing personal and business finance. That is the most important. Like when you are growing business and when you have started from the roots, what you do generally, you mix your personal and business finance. That is a very bad thing. You cannot exactly know your positions, your cash flows, your profit and loss if you do these. Then not adapting to changes like the legal formalities, the government regulations,
Right.
the markets, the customer preferences. These changes nowadays, like anything, like her rows, her then everything is changing. If you're not adapting to that, then also we see that people
And
struggle
that's the
with.
reason we should go for a
Yeah.
consultant, right?
Yes, yes.
क्योंकि normal public को I'm sure knowledge नहीं होता
Because we
होगा.
have studied that, we have been studying and we keep studying for
Yeah,
that.
that's
So
what.
that is why people
Which
should
we won't do in her day-to-day
consult
life.
a professional and then do certain things.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So we have with us next event planner at PZ Lux Affairs. So Shweta, what has been like the most rewarding moment for you in your event planning journey?
Like as an event planner, I feel gratifying when a stressed client relaxes after seeing everything fall into place. Like किसी के घर पे भी कोई भी प्रोग्राम हो, इवेंट हो, they feel very stress कि कैसे होगा,
Yeah.
ये कौन केयर करेगा, गेस्ट को कैसे हम लोग एंटरटेन करेंगे. So we feel कि मतलब ये हमारा जॉब है. आप स्ट्रेस फ्री रहो, we will take all the load.
Right.
Like हमने अभी वेडिंग डेकोर प्लान किया था ताज चिया कुटीर, and the client was so happy, the setup turned out as they dreamed of. तो जब हमें कॉल्स आते हैं every morning we see कि it was lovely, the setup was good, everything was smooth. So then we feel कि yes, we did it, and all the late nights are paid off.
Of course. That is the biggest relief, I think, for you also and your client too. Now we have with us Komal Bazari. She's an interior designer. You to become an interior designer.
So 5 years ago, I had set out to build something of my own, armed with formal education, big dreams,
Okay.
and the determination to stand on my own feet.
Okay.
So as we all know that Siliguri is developing in all the directions.
True.
So as an interior designer's point of view, just growth is not just about new buildings, but about new lifestyles.
Right.
Today I'm grateful to say that I have successfully delivered and designed several residential, commercial and even government projects, and this journey has led me to a very good platform, and I'm very, very much grateful for it.
Okay, it must be very demanding from your
Yeah,
part.
this is very much demanding. I
Huh.
mean, the way Siliguri is just rapidly growing, be it in real estate market, be it the construction of the architects, the landscaping. So this is like really very huge now.
Yeah, of
Thank you.
course. So coming forward to you, Rinku Agarwal. She is an insurance advisor. So my question to you is, so what common mistakes do people make while buying insurance?
Hello, Nupur. Now, according to me, the biggest mistake that people make while choosing a policy or insurance is that tax saving. They believe that buying an insurance is only meant to save tax,
Save
but
tax.
that is not true. I believe protection. Protect your income, protect your family, secure your family's future. That is more important. So,
Correct.
this is actually not very true that tax saving. Yes, tax saving is there, but protection is the major part you should look into.
Yeah.
And one more mistake that people make is that they review. They don't review according to their life changes like marriage, children, income growth. They once they buy the policy, they forget that they have to review, keep a check on what policy they have bought and how to move ahead with it.
Right.
That's it. Thank you.
So I'm sure the myths are cleared off now. So Roshni, let's make this session a bit interesting one. Let's do a
Yes.
quick rapid fire.
Interesting.
How many cups of tea do you drink in a day?
2 to 3, sometimes more. Let's not.
God, she's really a tea lover, I must say. Your favorite City Gold tea blend?
Our USP product, City Gold Premium Tea, and my all-time favorite.
Okay, premium. One marketing trend you think is overrated?
Few market trends which are fancy but doesn't add much value to the product.
Okay.
So I feel they are little overrated.
Yeah, fair enough. Tea with milk or without?
Tea with milk, proper desi chai.
Proper desi chai. She is actually a tea lover. So if City Gold was a person, how would you describe it personally? Its personality.
Yes, this is interesting. Like a warm, honest, trustworthy friend. A friend you would like to meet over chai.
Okay, that was a lovely reply. Lovely. So Surbhi, can you share some business transformation story that has stuck with you?
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, we are there for that only. If we are not changing anything in someone's business or if we are not helping them become better,
Right.
then there's no need for us. So yes,
Yeah.
we have a lot of stories like that. So of course I'll not say the names, but yeah, I can give you the examples. So there was one company, a private limited company. So private limited company recently the tax rates were changed. Okay, over the years, like 3-4 years. So they were continue to pay the taxes on the highest slab, that was 30%. They were of the view कि हम company है, corporates का तो एक ही flat rate tax, मतलब दिमाग ही नहीं लगाया ना देखा.
Asha.
And would you believe, like the tax rates were slashed and they were applicable in 22% slab rate.
Oh my
8% ka
God.
difference. So yes, I
Okay.
came and changed that. That was a big eye opener for them. And I also
That
thought
was
कि
really
हाँ,
huge.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So some
Oh my God.
some basic points होते हैं जैसे businesses में जो overlook करते हैं लोग, जो नहीं करना चाहिए, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा cash losses होता है. फिर they were paying a lot of penalties just for not filing basic forms on time. And उनको वो पता नहीं चल रहा था
Right.
क्योंकि उनके जो कंसल्टेंट्स थे वो जस्ट बिल बना के भेज रहे थे कि भाई इतना आपको पेमेंट करना है. दे थॉट कि ये गवर्नमेंट का फीस है. आई जस्ट चेक्ड, आई टोल्ड देम कि आप लेट फाइन्स पे कर रहे हो. गवर्नमेंट का फीस था 500. दे वर पेइंग अ फाइन ऑफ 15,000 ऑन दैट. एक 500 रुपए का
my
काम पे.
God.
सो these are not transformation I'll say, but yes, small changes make big impacts. So there are a lot of such things which that is why we suggest that you just consult and do, because आजकल सब कुछ available है digital media पे, so everyone thinks we can do everything on our own, but that is not. Half knowledge is dangerous.
Yeah.
So that is what.
This
Yeah.
is an eye opener. Of course, that's why business consultants are very important in every business, I believe. So Shweta, you're doing so many events over the years. तो हर event में सबको कुछ unique चाहिए ना, unique idea, unique themes. How do you manage that?
Actually, I dive into mix of things. Client story, Instagram, Pinterest, Venue Inspo, seasonal blooms. Like कहाँ पे आपका event है, whether it's indoor, outdoor, we don't want to hide any natural beauty. एंड सीजनल ब्लूम्स, कौन से फ्लावर्स कौन से सीज़न में आते हैं, सो उसका कैसे उनका लुक आएगा. सो वी वर्क मोस्टली ऑन दैट एंड आई फोकस ऑन व्हाट आई वांट टू क्रिएट. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई एंजॉय माई वर्क, आई लव माई वर्क. तो उससे ऑटोमेटिकली यूनिकनेस कम्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड.
Creativity आ जाता है.
एक बार थीम फाइनल हो जाती है ना, एंड देन आई से कि ना ऐसा करने से अच्छा लगेगा, ऐसा करने से इनपुट्स डालते रहो, नो एंड.
Yeah, then you feel कि उसको कैसे extravagant बनाया
Yeah,
है.
every story is different, every event is different, and I love doing it.
True, true.
Thank you.
So Komal, how do you define your design philosophy?
So my design philosophy is very simple. It's functionality first and beauty always.
Okay.
So a space, it should look elegant, but more importantly, it should work effortlessly for the ones who use it. Today, even if we visit, be it a hotel property, we want the aesthetics, but we also want it to be functional. So the same thing is with all the areas, be it your office, be it your home. It has to be functional first. You just see something on Pinterest and then you just visualize it that I want the same thing. That is not practically possible.
Right.
You have to like think of the functionality first.
Yeah. You
So
need to
that
have a
is-
clear visuality, I believe.
Exactly. And so that is why my design philosophy is very simple. Again, I'm saying it is functionality first and then we meet the beauty.
Right. Perfect. So coming back to you, what changes or trends are you seeing in the current insurance industry?
Firstly, the major change I can see is digitalization,
Okay.
which has brought paperless work. I think buying
right.
policies and claim processes have become much faster and easier. You can do it on your own also, at home also.
Yeah.
And but for this again, आपको सही guidance की ज़रूरत है उसके लिए भी.
of course.
अगर आपके पास सही guidance नहीं है तो you cannot do it smoothly. And next, I think after COVID, health insurance field में जो expansion आया है वो काफ़ी आया है.
Right.
हर घर में हर फैमिली मेंबर को इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है.
I think especially
And I-
post COVID, na?
Yeah, and young age ho, age is not a factor now for health insurance.
Right.
And I think I advise every family member at every home should have this.
Yes.
And from my side, I think the key notes to be kept in mind while doing an insurance, firstly, transparency. Secondly, long-term security.
Right.
And thirdly, proper guidance, and you should be well informed about the policy.
Of
So
course.
these things you should keep in mind.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow, that was quite informative. Thank you so much. And this was quite impactful. Like we have got to know a lot from them. They are young minds serving the purpose right. So I'm sure this session is going to be quite interesting and quite crisp. So had a wonderful time, and same, the ones watching are going to have a wonderful time. Thank you so much.